Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are diving into an amazing trading indicator, and the indicator that we're going to be looking at in this video is the Woodies CCI Arrows Oscillator for MT4. Okay, so if you were looking for a tool that provides automatic entry and exit signals, making trading simpler and more efficient, then this is the indicator that you might want to consider having in your trading arsenal. Okay, I'm going to add the indicator to the chart right away. The Woodies CCI Arrows indicator. It's actually a custom indicator, so you might want to download it from a third-party site first. Before you'll be able to use it on your chart, but make sure that you are downloading it from a reputable site. Okay, we've already talked about how to install custom indicators in one of our videos, so you might want to check that out. Okay, all right, so as you can see, the Woodies CCI Arrows indicator is a momentum based trading indicator, and it is built on the 14 period commodity channel index. Okay, it is primarily used by traders who follow the Woodies strategy, but it's also effective for anyone looking to trade trend and counter trend strategies. Okay, now one of the powerful features is its ability to plot buy and sell signals directly on the chart. You can see that here with the aid of these arrows. So the arrows actually give you precise entry points, right? When a green arrow appears, for example, that's a buy signal, right? A precise buy signal. And when a red arrow appears, it's a precise sell signal, right? So that's one of the features of this indicator. Okay. The green arrows indicate buy signal, meaning that price is likely to move up, while the red arrows indicate sell signal, suggesting potential downward movement. So how does it work? How does it work? How does this indicator work? The Woodies CCI Arrows Oscillator makes it easy to spot trade opportunities without needing to manually analyze complex chart patterns. All right, so here's how it works. Yeah, basically, a green arrow appears when the market conditions suggest bullish momentum. So traders can enter a buy trade and ride the trend. Hence, I will recommend using the signals, for trending markets. If you want to take advantage of a buy signal, use the buy signals in a bullish trend. And if you want to take advantage of a sell signal, use the sell signals in a bearish trend to be on the safer side, right? So if the market is going in the bullish direction, if the trend is bullish and you get a red arrow giving you a sell signal, just hold on for a bit, okay, until the pullback is concluded, because that red arrow is going to indicate a pullback. Since it's a buy trend, it's just going to be a mere pullback. So instead, you wait for the pullback to complete, and then once your green arrow appears, you can then enter a buy in the direction of the trend. You can set your stop loss below the swing low, and then you can just target the resistance for your take profit. Okay, you can just target maybe the trend line resistance for your take profit, because if you decide to use the red arrows, then you might exit too early. Like, look at what happened here, look at what happened here. So instead, you can just target the resistance so long as that trend is strong. All right, then the reverse is the case for a sell. You can just wait for a pullback when you have a buy signal in a sell trend. Once the pullback is concluded and the red arrow appears, you can enter a sell. You can set your stop loss above the swing high, and then for your take profit, you can just target the support level, right? The trend line support, for example, okay, to exit your sell. So traders can actually choose to close their trades at the opposite signal, the opposite arrow signal, or stay in their positions longer to ride the trend completely. But me, I'm going to recommend, riding the trend, okay, instead of just scalping at the sight of the opposite signal. All right. So why should you use the Woodies CCI Arrows Oscillator? One is because of its instant trading signals, right? There is no need for complicated market analysis. And then it also works in trend and counter trend strategies. It can be used for breakout trading and trend reversals. All right. And it is also easy to use even by beginners. It helps new traders understand momentum shifts and CCI patterns. All right. And advanced traders can combine it with other indicators, okay, because it works well with CCI, turbo CCI, zero line, histogram, and the 200 levels for stronger confirmations. All right. It allows traders to stay in the trend longer and exit at the right moment. Now, in addition to the arrow signals, you're going to notice that this indicator window also gives some information. All right, it gives some information. Okay, so basically, if you are looking for momentum, when you have a buy signal, ensure that this line is above the zero level and ensure that you have green histogram bars. All right, ensure that you have green histogram bars suggesting bullish momentum. And for a sell signal in a sell trend, ensure that this line is below the zero level and you have red histogram bars signaling bearish momentum. So once you have all those in place, then you can look for your buy or sell opportunities respectively. All right. Now, if you want to take advantage of trend trading, if you want to use this indicator for trend trading strategies, you can enter a buy trade when a green arrow appears. All right. When a green arrow appears in a bullish trend and when you have the green histogram bars above the zero level. Then for a sell, you can enter in a sell trend when the red arrows appear and you have the red histogram bars below the zero level. Okay, if you want to engage in counter trend trading strategies, then you can identify short-term reversals by entering trades against the current trend when a new arrow appears, although I won't exactly advise that. Okay, but it's actually useful for traders who prefer quick trades and scalping techniques. If you are a scalper, then sometimes you can engage in counter trend trading. For example, this is a bearish trend, but you can actually ride this bullish signal. Okay, but just ensure that you exit on time because this is just a mere pullback. So as a scalper, you can actually take the buy signals even in a bearish trend, but of course you have to time your exits properly. And you can also take sell signals in a bullish trend, but you have to time your exits properly, okay, because you're not going to stay in the trade for too long, owing to the fact that it's against the trend. All right, you can also, combine the Woodies CCI Arrows Oscillator with other indicators. Could be moving averages for additional trend confirmation, could be support and resistance levels for stronger trade setups, could be trend lines, just to ensure that your trades align with the overall market direction. It is very, very important. Okay, the Woodies CCI Arrows Oscillator is actually an effective tool for Forex traders, providing clear and precise trade signals. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this indicator helps simplify decision making and enhance your trading strategy. So if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading strategies and indicators. Let me know in the comments if you've used the Woodies CCI Arrows Oscillator and how it has helped your trading. See you in the next video and happy trading.